Hi guys, in this video we will learn how to install Linux Ubuntu on a virtual machine using VMware. First thing, we need to install VMware Workstation. You need to have this VMware Workstation installed, and then you need to install to download ISO image of Ubuntu. To download the ISO image, you first go to the official website of Ubuntu download, and we go to this website, the official website. From here we can download. We have this option to download, and this also another version of Ubuntu. We can read what's news here, what's the information about this version and this version also, and choose whatever you want. And regarding system requirements, you should check, and you should have at least 2 gigahertz dual core processor or better, 4 gigabyte system memory RAM, and at least 25 gigabyte of free hard drive, either a USB port or a DVD drive. For installer media, internet access is available, is helpful. And how to install, we need to download the ISO image, create a bootable USB flash drive, and boot your laptop or PC from the USB flash drive. We need to do it, but these two we don't need to do it because we are installing it on a virtual machine, not on a physical computer. So you follow me. We need to download. First thing, we download, and here if you want to sign up for our for the newsletter, no need to sign up. Download started. Now as you see, download started, but I don't need to download this, so I will stop it because I have the ISO image already. I have this ISO image. So let's start. First thing, we will open we will open VMware. Then we click here on create a new virtual machine. I can go with typical recommended, but I will go with custom advanced. Hit next. Here we keep as default. Here we can install, we can choose here the ISO image immediately, or I prefer to install the operating system later. So I will hit on this and next. I will choose Linux, and here we'll choose Ubuntu. Next. Here we can type the virtual machine name, for example Ubuntu 1, and the location where we want to install the virtual machine. So next. Processors, we can choose how many processor we want and the cores also, but I will leave it as default. And here also we can choose how much memory RAM we need for this virtual machine. It's recommended to have at least 2 gigabytes of RAM, so I will keep it as default. Here also as default. This is the type of network connection we need. I'll keep it as default, and also here as default, also here. And you can create a new virtual disk or use an existing virtual disk. Use a physical disk for advanced. Okay, I will keep as default. And here also we can choose maximum disk size, how much it's 20 gigabyte. We can allocate more, but I will just stick with this default. Okay, next. Finish. Now our virtual machine is ready, but we need to attach the ISO image. If we try to power on this virtual machine, it will not power on. It will keep like this. So we need just to shut down, and we want to go here, edit virtual machine settings, and then go to CD DVD and use ISO image file, browse. We need to go to desktop where I put my ISO image here. This is the ISO image. I choose the ISO image and then hit OK. Now I power on the virtual machine and we start our installing of Ubuntu. We hit on the first option. Now if you click on keyboard Control Alt, you can the cursor of mouse you can move, but if you click inside the screen, it will go inside the virtual operating system. So Control Alt again, I can move the cursor on the main Windows operating system. Let's wait. Now we will go to this option, install Ubuntu. And we will go with English. Continue. What apps would you like to install to start with? We can go with normal installation, but I will go with minimal installation. Download updates while installing Ubuntu. We can do this. Install third party. You can install third party software, but I will not do. Continue. Now this computer currently has no detected operating system. What would you like to do? Erase disk and install Ubuntu. We will go with this option. It's safe to do it because we are using virtual machine, not on the physical hardware, physical computer. Okay, let's install now. If you continue, the changes listed below will be written to the disks, otherwise you won't be able. Okay, continue. It's safe to do this because we are not installing on the physical machine. Here we choose the location. Continue. Your name, my name, and here we choose a password. Here we can choose require my password to log in or log in automatically. I will choose a password, simple one. Okay guys, installation is complete. We need now to restart our computer. Press enter. Okay, this is my user. I type the password and this is Ubuntu Linux. Working fine. Okay, so now we have our virtual machine Linux installed. So thank you for watching and see you in the next video. And please, if you find this lecture helpful, please subscribe and like. Thank you.